Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unravel the mysteries hidden within company filings. And let's just say 3M's latest report has a little surprise up its sleeve. This report is a bit different. It's not packed with sprawling financial tables as you might expect, but instead it highlights a significant change in its leadership ranks, which can often be a bigger predictor of future performance than quarterly numbers. So let's dive into what's really going on with 3M. Alright, so we're looking at the latest filing from 3M Company, a giant in the manufacturing world, known for everything from post-it notes to industrial adhesives. The date that matters here is August 11, 2025. This is the earliest event date reported, which means this is when something important happened that the company needed to tell the public about. Now, 3M stock is traded on different exchanges, including the Chicago Stock Exchange, often abbreviated as XCHI, and also the New York Stock Exchange, or XNYS for short. When you see these different exchange codes, it just tells you where their shares are bought and sold. This tag suck-up common stock member essentially confirms that we are talking about the company's common stock, the basic shares that most investors buy and hold. This also tells us that 3M is reporting its financial information in line with United States generally accepted accounting principles, which is standard for US companies. This confirms the company's headquarters are in St. Paul, Minnesota, at the iconic 3M Center, a place that's basically synonymous with innovation in materials science. Here we see a detail about their common stock. It has a par value of 1 cent per share. Now, par value is mostly a historical accounting term. It's not really tied to the stock's market price, but it's a required piece of information for publicly traded companies. And what would a 3M report be without its ticker symbol, SEM, recognized instantly on stock exchanges worldwide? This confirms that their common stock is listed on the New York Stock Exchange, a benchmark for many investors and a sign of the company's significant market presence. This tag here, UFTA4 and 26, refers to a specific debt issuance from 3M, specifically their 1.5% notes due in 2026. It's like a loan the company took out that it has to pay back along with interest by that year. Similarly, MM30 represents their 1.75% notes due in 2030, another one of their debt obligations that matures in 2030. Investors who buy these notes are essentially lending money to 3M. And here, MSN31 points to their 151, showing another of their long-term borrowing commitments. Now we get to the heart of this particular filing. Item 5102 is where companies report significant changes in their board of directors or top executive team. This is often a crucial section because it signals shifts in leadership strategy or even potential future challenges. And here's the main news. Gregory R. Page has retired from the 3M Company board of directors effective August 11, 2025. The reason given is personal and professional commitments, including his leadership roles on other company boards. This is a fairly standard explanation for board member departures, often when someone is stepping down to focus their valuable time and expertise elsewhere, and given his commitments to other boards, it indicates he's likely very much in demand. Now, while this report isn't focused on detailed financial statements like a 10Q or 10K, the departure of a board member, especially one with significant external commitments, can hint at broader trends. Let's think about what this means for 3M. On the surface, this is a normal event for a large company. Board members come and go, but when a director retires, it's worth considering the experience and perspective they bring to the table. Mr. Page's departure means a shift in the collective wisdom and oversight of the company. His extensive experience in leadership roles elsewhere suggests he offered valuable outside perspectives and a governance discipline that 3M might now need to replace from its existing or a new board member. This kind of change can be a subtle indicator of the board's overall workload and the demands placed upon its members. If respected directors are stepping down due to other commitments, it could signal that the current environment requires a lot of attention and that directors are being stretched thin. For investors, it's a good reminder that corporate governance is an ongoing process and that the stability and experience of a board are critical for navigating complex business landscapes. While we don't have specific financial numbers in this filing, the stability of a company's leadership, especially at the board level, is a bedrock of investor confidence. A strong board provides strategic guidance and ensures that management acts in the best interest of shareholders. Any significant change, even a voluntary retirement, merits attention as it can influence decision-making and the long-term direction of the company. Looking beyond this report, 3M has been navigating a complex business environment. They've been involved in significant legal settlements, for instance, regarding PFAS chemicals and earplug litigation. These are massive financial and reputational challenges that require robust board oversight. A director stepping down during such a period, even for personal reasons, adds another layer to consider regarding the board's capacity to manage ongoing crises while also strategizing for future growth and innovation. So what's my take on this? Gregory R. Page's retirement from the 3M board is a notable event. It signifies the departure of a seasoned leader whose time is clearly highly valued across multiple corporate platforms. While the stated reasons are typical, it's always a point for observation when experienced board members decide to step down, particularly from companies facing significant ongoing legal and operational challenges like 3M. The company will need to ensure its board composition remains strong and capable of providing the necessary oversight and strategic direction through these complex times. The search for a suitable replacement will be key to maintaining that balance and assuring stakeholders that governance remains a top priority. Alright, that's our quick decode of this 3M filing. What's your take on these leadership changes and what they might signal for 3M's future? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown insightful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into corporate news, and don't forget to join our Discord community. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.